is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, 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 and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this episode, I am going to do an update on my trading in Kucoin futures. So, let me bring up my spreadsheet. I have not brought that up yet. Let me open up. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, KuCoin is an exchange where you can trade, and I trade futures on this platform. And I just wanted to, this is something else that I have working for me besides passive income opportunities. When you are joining other platforms and passive income opportunities, you never know what can go wrong with them. And, a lot of times it's that they scam out or something happens to it where they make a change like Cuba Tech or Cuba Life has done. Watermine, my account has gotten hacked. I'm waiting on Watermine to fix it. They're having some server issues. What else? That's two platforms right there that it's taking away income, money for me. All right. So that's why when I do make withdrawals, I put it into something that's going to make me money that I have control over. I sometimes put it into other platforms, but I also put it to where I'm building up my crypto portfolio, or I'm putting it in a trading account where I can trade, or I'm putting it into my business, my business account, so I can invest in other business opportunities that don't involve passive income opportunities. Okay, I put it into a passive income opportunity to compound it. So it just varies what I do, but mostly what I'm doing is putting my money somewhere that it's going to grow more and it's a bit more secure. All right, because again, anything can happen. All right, me getting hacked was something that I didn't foresee happening, and it has yet to be resolved. So we're going to see what's going to happen with Watermine fixing it. But so far, they have not made the correction. I sent them an email, so we will see. But this video, I want to just give you guys an update on how I'm doing. I hadn't did one in a while. So right now I'm in a couple of trades where I'm in Link, which is in profit. I'm in Ethereum trade, which is in profit. And I'm also in BNB, which is in profit. Here you can put a take profit and a stop loss in when you place a trade. And my account is now at 229.43. So if I go to my spreadsheet where I track everything, when the market was, acting really crazy, it took a big dump down. I lost a lot of money in that, about $100. So this is where all of this happened. If you can look at my spreadsheet, I'm tracking each day that I trade and what happens, what I lost, what I gained. And all of these losses is during the time where the market kept dumping. When I would put a trade in, thinking it's not going to go back as far as it did, then it did. The thing that I did do, which is totally my fault, me being hard-headed is not putting a stop loss on some of these trades where my loss became this big for that day. All right, so that's how that happened. So now I am definitely putting on stop losses, and I've been making up for my loss. So my account was at 328, and then I took some hits, and then I've made some profit. So between yesterday I made this was the day before yesterday. This is, yesterday, I'm sorry, 4.4%. Today I'm up already 16%. So I'm working my way back up to where my balance was. My account is now at, actually, hold on a minute, I'm doing something wrong. This is not 250. It's actually at 229. I don't know where I got 250 from. 229 is where my account is today. 229.79. Okay. So it always rounds up on this spreadsheet. So today I am up 6%, 6.2% so far. So I'm going to continue to monitor these trades to see if I have my take profit set at 363. Is it going to go all the way there? That's 363 is up here. So I'll probably take profit sooner than that and close this out because I can see it hitting a snag before we get to this point right here. Okay, so I don't see it going further than this without reverting back. And that's at 351, all right? So I'm already up 5% in this trade. So what I do is what I'm gonna do is go ahead and sell this right now and take my profit and lock it in. Whenever I do that, I have to put in a password. Okay, so that was at 125. It'll show me what it closed me out at actually down below here. My earnings, let's see, BNB, see, it closed me out at 96 cents. That's the one thing that can happen while you're in the process of closing out. It may not get all of what you closed out at because the market moves just like that. Okay, so I'm also, like I said, I'm in Ethereum trade, and I am in Link trade. So this is Ethereum. I closed out BNB, so let me go to Link. That's the other trade I'm in, and look at that. It's kind of going up. I'm up 9.7% here. All right, I've reached $230 on this. So I am going to continue watching this to see what's going to happen with this candle. This is a 15-minute candles here. And you know what? I am going to go ahead and take profit on this. I have it set at 32.29. I don't see it going all the way there before it reverses because of this area right here. So I'm going to go ahead and sell it because it's getting close to that area. If it hits this area and the next thing what I'm going to be doing is watching to see if it's going to bounce back from this area or if it's going to cross this area. If it crosses this area, let me just go to the 1 hour. If it crosses this area here, then my next I'll go get it back into the trade and I'll be able to take profit up here somewhere. So right now, like I said, I'm just watching. I took profit in this trade. I want to see if it's going to across this area here. Okay, that's with Link. And then with Ethereum, I am in profit, and it is got some resistance in this area. So what I'm going to do with this, I am also going to go ahead and take profit in this. It just, because it is at a resistance level, and then I can always get back in. I'm up 5%, so I'm good with 5% on that trade. So let's see what happened. It brought me down to $229.99 on that one. Let's see, 87 cents, $2.96. I'm only putting $25 on each of these trades. You can make more the more you put on the trades. Okay. So now my balance is at $229.99. So what I do is, I'm still at where I was. So I'm still at 6%. So I will be looking at the market, and what I'll do is do another updated video on this. Probably tomorrow or the day after. I'm going to start doing more videos on my progress in this trading. If you want to learn how to trade in this, or you want to get started in this, in my link tree below, you can find my Patreon community where you can learn how to trade. You also can, it's right here, my Patreon community, where you can sign up to learn how to trade on Kucoin. I can show you how to get started with it, get you some signals, and show you how to learn how to stake crypto and enter liquidity pools and grow a crypto portfolio. If that's something when you want to learn how to do, you can join this community to do that. And then I also have one for those who are interested in HYIPs, high yield investment platforms, and you want to be able to get in on them on early on day one. And what I'll do is do a rotator link to help build a team amongst those in the community. So any HYIP programs that I get in, I will probably only do brief introductions to them on YouTube, but in my Patreon community is where I'll do full overviews. And in order for you to get access to them, you would have to join the community. That's because, I only want serious people that really, they're really into hypes. They know how they work. They know what it is. Okay, they're into them. So if you're interested in that, you'll be able to join that as well. Actually, one has come across my desk that I may consider joining. I'm going to wait a little bit to see what happens with my Watermine account getting resolved, and then kind of go from there if I'm going to join it. It doesn't launch until for like 4 days or something like that. So I'll keep you guys posted. Again, if you want access to day one programs I get in, then you can join this community. The link to Kucoin is here as well. If you want to you click that, and you'll be able to go ahead and sign up to Kucoin and learn futures trading. If you want to be able to do that on your own, you can. But yeah, that's it, guys. I am. This is another way that I'm making money in the crypto space, and I will again keep you guys updated on my progress. I'm also trading in Kraken still as well through the 100K club. So I'll do an update on that account this week as well. All right. That is it. That is all. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.